Welcome. In front of me I have HAYLOU RS5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, you need to tap on this icon, and here we have two options, all day on and timed on. All day on is basically, if you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode by selecting this option, it will stay on until you turn it off. And to turn it off, you need to tap on the switch again. So if you turn it on, tap on the check mark and go back, you will see that on the quick panel, the icon got highlighted, changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you need to open the quick panel again, tap on the icon, and it will be turned off. So you don't need to open the Do Not Disturb mode and tap on the switch to turn it off. It will turn off after you tap on the icon in the quick panel. And the second option, the time on, it allows you to set a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at the time you set it. And you can tap on start time and change the time to whatever you like by swiping on the hours and minutes. Okay, and now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 7:29 a.m. And you can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled because it's not enabled yet. But after 10:30 it will turn on, and you will see that the icon changed the color. And if you want to disable it earlier than the schedule, you can simply tap on the icon and it will be disabled, or you can simply turn off the schedule by tapping on switch next to timed on. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.